KINGREAL Universal Industrial Limited is an equipment automation company with a professional design team, localized after sales and sales. We have rich experience in the field of roll forming machines. The roll forming machine factory has processing workshops, assembly workshops, and debugging workshops. Our feature products including multi-size Baffle ceiling roll former, drywall studs and tracks roll forming line, multi-width shelf panel making machine, a speed C, Z, U, angle channel roll forming machines, a gauge steel framing roll forming machine, retile roll forming machine, bed, rain forming and welding machine, and other customer profiles roll forming machines, etc., which are sold all over the world, such as the Middle East, Russia, Chile, Holland, Southeast Asia, etc., and have also won the praise of customers. We focus on R&D, continuously cooperate with many powerful industrial design companies and scientific research institutions, relying on the rich experiences, famous copper design software and strong design capability. Multi-language can be customized on machines. Also, we guarantees that all machines will be assembled and tested in the factory before shipment, and our after-sales departments provide 24/7 online support. All these can ensure the machine's stable running. We work hard to make our products excellent. Strict quality control is implemented for every production line. A complete tooling, design and manufacturing workshop with advanced CNC processing equipment, an operation and system is self-developed to make sure machine fast production speed and precision running. Since 2019, the global COVID-19 has continued to spread. Traveling is restricted, resulting in the inability of customers to inspect the quality of machines by themselves. Also disabling in-factory installation for machines in order to provide customers with better service. KINGREAL have built our own after-sales service branches around the world, such as Russia, Middle East, South Asia, etc. Welcome to choose KINGREAL Machinery and win a lifetime multi-benefit cooperation.